Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. If you're new to my channel, hi, I mainly do ear stretching videos. If you are not new and you are a subscriber or you've seen my other videos, welcome back. It's been about 4 months, I want to say, since I last stretched my ears. I am currently at a 2 gauge. I'm pretty sure I would have been able to stretch my ears weeks, maybe even 2 or 3 months ago, but I just really haven't had the time to with the whole daylight savings time. I've got a new job and stuff like that, but I decided to finally sit down, film this, and show y'all stretching my ears again. But this video is going to be just a little bit different because I'm not talking about just stretching my ears. I'm going to be talking about in-between sizes. And what I mean by in-between sizes is that if you look at gauge sizes, they are even numbers. So it goes from like 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. But what a lot of people don't realize is there are in-between sizes. So even though I'm a 2 gauge, generally when people think you're a 2 gauge, you need to stretch to a 0 next. But you can actually stretch to a 1 gauge and then go to a 0, and that makes the stretching a lot easier because having those in-between sizes, it really helps the elasticity of your ears. So when you are stretching, it's not such a drastic stretch, because once you get into the single digit numbers, the size differences can be kind of more dramatic. Like a 2 and a 0 have a pretty big drastic change in the diameter and width of them. So if you find yourself struggling and you just cannot go up the size, like your ears just are not stretching and it's been months and months and you just don't know what to do, you should try and get the in-between size between whatever gauge you are and whatever gauge you're stretching to. Getting that odd number really does help, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, so these are my 2 gauge that I have in, so I'm just going to go ahead and take them out, and there went the O-ring. I don't know if anybody else has a hard time keeping up with O-rings, which if you don't know, that is what the little ring to hold your tunnel in is called, but I always randomly lose them. Like they'll come out or like I'll accidentally drop it, and it's like the most annoying thing ever. So now that I have them out, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean my ears. So here is the tapers. This is a 1 gauge stainless steel taper. Again, hands, everything are clean. I'm going to take some jojoba oil. You can use any oil you would like, as long as it's natural, you know. I'm going to get the oil. I'm going to put it on the 1 gauge taper, put it on my ear, and then just slide it on through. And because it has been 4 months, it just easily went on through. It did pinch a little, and it's okay if it pinches, that's not an issue. But if it's excruciating or you're struggling, then that's when you should. My light just went off. If it's excruciating or it's hurting or you just can't make it go through, you don't need to force it. On here, you're just gonna get it. Oh, that one almost went all the way through. And ta-da, just like that. Whoops. So that one is in. See? But yeah, so I hope you have a good day. I hope you're being safe amidst all the, COVID stuff, and wear your mask, social distance. Everything's back in phase 2. I know it can suck. I know it can be annoying, but you got to think of other people's lives more than just your own when it comes to things like this. So yeah, stay safe and see y'all next time.